In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Active Trader in Thinkorswim. This is the built-in ladder trading tool that lets you place, adjust, and manage orders quickly from a single panel. If you're new to it, don't worry. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can trade more efficiently and with confidence. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform. Give it a moment to load fully. If you're practicing new workflows, it's a good idea to use a simulated account so you can get comfortable without risking live capital. At the top of the platform, click the Trade tab. This is the hub for order entry tools and symbol-specific details. On the left side of the Trade tab, select the Active Trader sub-tab. As soon as you do, your screen will display the Active Trader ladder alongside a chart by default. The ladder, sometimes called a DOM, lists price levels vertically with bids and asks, so you can see where orders are stacking and how price is moving. The chart gives you visual context and can help you confirm entries and exits. Front and center, you'll notice the large Buy MKT and Sell MKT buttons. These are your quickest way to enter market orders for the symbol you've loaded. Use them when you need immediate fills, keeping in mind that market orders prioritize speed over price and can experience slippage. Always double-check the symbol and settings before you click. Just next to those buttons, adjust your quantity to match your plan. This sets how many shares or contracts your order will use. Right nearby, set your order template. The template controls the default order behavior, things like order type and, if you use them, bracket orders that automatically place a profit target and a stop once you enter. Dial this in so the ladder behaves the way you expect every time. If you want to personalize the interface further, click the gear icon to customize the Active Trader buttons. This optional step lets you tailor quick actions, colors, and behaviors so your most used functions are right where you need them. Small tweaks here can speed up your process and reduce clicks. Finally, use the ladder itself to place limit and stop orders. Click directly on a price level to stage an order at that price. The side of the ladder and your template determine whether it's a buy or sell and whether it's a limit or stop. You can usually drag orders to refine the price and cancel them with a quick click on the cancel icon, making adjustments fast and intuitive. That's the setup. Take a few minutes to practice placing and modifying orders so the motions become second nature before you go live.